Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to my Mars weather report. This is my React project for General Assembly. I pulled data from an API from NASA. Thank you to NASA for supplying this information. Their Mars Insight lander takes weather reports from the past 7 days on a certain point in Mars. So, heading to NASA's page, this is what their 7-day report for weather on Mars looks like at a glance. So I was inspired by this. I love outer space and, thinking about all that. So I wanted to make my own weather report for Mars. So here you're looking at the report page, the dashboard. I fetched the data from NASA's API and I put it into this grid here. This is June 29th's weather. It's a balmy negative 57 degrees Celsius. If you hit this toggle, it will change all these temperatures to Fahrenheit for us, Celsius incapable people like me. Scrolling down here, I also pulled data from another API, the Open Weather API. So if you enter in your local zip code, it should tell you how much warmer or colder it is on Mars than in your local area. Moving on to this seasons page. This looks pretty simple at first glance, but the page is actually dependent on the API data. So it's currently summer in Mars. When it's winter, all of this data will change. Onto the About page. This is just a general, about section. There's some links where you can educate yourself a little bit more about the climate on Mars and some interesting stuff about terraforming, which I find fascinating. I forgot to mention this app was built implementing React Router, context, and a library, React Media. I installed React Media in order to place media queries directly into my JS files. So this app is responsive as well. If we go into a more mobile-friendly dimension here, you can see that my report page has changed slightly, but it still has all the functionality there, as well as my About page. Things are stacked a little bit differently. And you can click on this hamburger to make your way around the nav. So I had a lot of fun making this project. I wanted to just create a dashboard similar to something like weather.com, and I wanted to make it beautiful. So feel free to take a look at my website and educate yourself a little bit about Mars and its weather. Thanks, everyone.